The Channel Master 12-inch wall mount includes 4 12-inch standoff arms, 1 support brace, 2 U-bolts, 2 saddle clamps, 4 11mm bolts, 8 11mm nuts, 5 3/8-inch lag screws, and 1 10mm set screw. Attach 2 standoff arms together as shown, using the included 11mm bolts and nuts. Then, attach the remaining 2 standoff arms together, along with the included support brace as shown, using the 11mm bolts and nuts. Next, attach the saddle clamps to each bracket using the included U-bolts and 11mm nuts. This concludes the assembly of the Channel Master 12-inch wall mount. For additional product and installation videos from Channel Master, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel or visit us online at channelmaster.com.